Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone is unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular. Once connected, check which account stores contacts, iCloud, Gmail, or Exchange, because you will disable syncing for that specific account. Now open Settings and tap your name at the top to access iCloud and accounts. You do this first so you don't accidentally remove contacts from the wrong profile. It also lets you see if Contacts Toggle is currently on or off before proceeding. Once in your account list, tap iCloud or go to Mail Accounts and select the specific account that syncs contacts. Toggle off contacts. The phone will ask if you want to keep on my iPhone or delete from my iPhone. Choose Keep if you need local copies, Delete if you want them removed. Make sure to repeat this step for each account that syncs contacts. This prevents duplicates and ensures only desired contact sources remain active on your device. Once you finish toggling off contacts for all relevant accounts, close the Contacts app and reopen it to verify changes. This Refresh Confirm Sync is stopped. If contacts disappear unexpectedly, you can toggle contacts back on to resync from the server or choose Keep when prompted to retain local entries. If issues persist, sign out and sign back into the account or restart your iPhone. These steps force a fresh sync and often resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.